Hey guys! Once again, we're back with another exciting lineup of the cool car accessories on Amazon. Whether you're upgrading your ride, improving convenience, or adding some modern tech to your driving experience, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Number 1. Disklok Security Device. Ever worried about leaving your car unattended in a parking lot? The Disklok security device provides an incredibly strong layer of protection that instantly discourages thieves. Unlike standard steering locks, this one completely covers your steering wheel, making it impossible to cut or remove without drawing attention. It feels heavy-duty the moment you attach it, built with precision to withstand force and tampering. The silver finish not only looks professional, but also signals high security to anyone peeking inside your vehicle. Installation is surprisingly easy, fitting tightly on most steering wheels and locking in place within seconds. It is approved by HOOIMA, which adds confidence in its real-world reliability. This full-cover design protects against both steering wheel theft and airbag removal, which is an added advantage many car owners overlook. Whether you drive a small car or a compact SUV, this lock offers peace of mind every time you park. For anyone serious about car safety, this Disklok is a solid investment that protects your vehicle day and night. Number 2. Slime 50123 Flat Tire Puncture Emergency Kit. Ever been stranded with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere? The Slime 50123 Flat Tire Emergency Kit makes that nightmare disappear within minutes. Designed for fast and easy tire repair, it allows you to fix a puncture in about 8 minutes without any mechanical skill. The kit includes a reliable sealant and an efficient digital inflator that quickly restores air pressure and seals leaks. It works perfectly on cars and other highway vehicles, offering a portable, all-in-one solution for emergencies. You simply plug it into your car's power outlet, connect it to the tire, and let it do the rest. It is ideal for drivers who value safety, convenience, and time. The compact design fits neatly in your trunk, ready for any unexpected road situation. Unlike traditional tire patches or manual pumps, this kit is completely automated, giving you professional results with minimal effort. For long-distance travelers or daily commuters, the Slime Flat Tire Kit is one of those must-have accessories that make every journey worry-free. Number 3. Magnetic Emergency LED Road Flares Warning Kit. What would you do if your car broke down at night on a dark highway? The Magnetic Emergency LED Road Flares Kit ensures you are always visible and safe. These bright red beacons can be seen from up to 1.5 miles away, instantly alerting oncoming traffic to your position. Designed for extreme weather and roadside emergencies, they can withstand heavy rain, snow, and even minor impacts. Each light features multiple flashing modes, allowing you to signal danger, direct traffic, or mark a safe area. The strong magnetic base attaches firmly to your vehicle, while the flashlight provides practical illumination when inspecting under the hood or changing a tire. Unlike standard flares, these are reusable, battery-powered, and safer since they do not rely on fire or chemicals. Whether you are a frequent traveler or an off-road enthusiast, these emergency lights add an important layer of visibility and preparedness. Compact, durable, and easy to use, they are a must-have for every car safety kit. Number 4. Escort Max 360C MKII Laser Radar Detector. Do you ever wish you could know what lies ahead on the road before it surprises you? The Escort Max 360C MKII makes driving smarter and safer by detecting radar and laser signals with exceptional accuracy. With its built-in dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection, it continuously updates and shares real-time alerts with other users. The device displays clear directional arrows, showing exactly where the signal is coming from. Its high precision means fewer false alarms and faster reactions, helping you stay aware without distraction. The wide detection range covers multiple radar bands, giving you early warnings even on long highways. It integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to control and view notifications directly on your car's display. The solid black finish looks sleek and modern, blending nicely into any dashboard setup. For drivers who enjoy both safety and convenience, this radar detector enhances confidence while keeping your journey smooth and informed. Number 5. Adapter for Tesla to J1772 EV Charger. Ever face the challenge of charging your electric vehicle at a Tesla-only station? The VIPTOO adapter for Tesla to J1772 makes that problem vanish instantly. Designed to convert Tesla charging connectors into a J1772 compatible plug, it allows non-Tesla electric cars to use Tesla destination, mobile, or high-powered chargers effortlessly. The adapter supports up to 60 ampere and 250 volt alternating current, ensuring fast and efficient energy transfer without overheating. Its press safety lock mechanism guarantees a secure connection during charging sessions, providing both stability and peace of mind. The build quality feels solid, designed to handle frequent plugging and unplugging without wear. This compact converter is a great travel companion for electric car owners who often explore unfamiliar routes. It effectively expands your charging network, letting you take advantage of Tesla infrastructure across the country. For electric vehicle users seeking more flexibility and convenience, this VIPTOO adapter is a practical and cost-saving accessory. Number 6. EVEAGE 2-in-1 Undercarriage Pressure Washer Attachment. Ever wondered how to clean the hidden dirt under your vehicle? The EVEAGE 2-in-1 Undercarriage Pressure Washer makes it simple and efficient. This tool connects to your pressure washer, turning it into a powerful cleaning system for hard-to-reach areas. With its 16-inch water broom and reversible design, you can clean both undercarriage surfaces and flat driveways with ease. The included 3 extension wands and wash mitt give you flexibility for different cleaning angles. Built to handle up to 4,000 pounds per square inch of water pressure, it removes mud, grime, and salt buildup that can damage your car's frame over time. The solid construction ensures durability, while quick connect fittings make setup easy. Whether you live in snowy areas or drive through muddy roads, this tool keeps your car's underside spotless and rust-free. The EVEAGE pressure washer attachment is perfect for anyone who wants professional-level cleaning results right at home. Number 7. Govee Car LED Lights. Ever wish your car could reflect your personality and mood? The Govee Car LED lights bring vibrant color and ambience to your driving experience. Controlled through a smartphone app, these lights allow you to customize colors, brightness, and lighting patterns in real time. With a clever 2-line design, the lights fit nicely into any car interior, creating a seamless and stylish look. The DIY mode lets you create your own combinations, while music mode synchronizes light effects with your favorite songs. Installation is simple using the adhesive backing and car charger connector. The lights operate on 12 volts DC, ensuring safety and energy efficiency. They add a futuristic touch to your vehicle, transforming ordinary drives into exciting experiences. Number 8. Programmable LED Sign. Have you ever wanted to express yourself while driving or promote your business on the go? The Epoium programmable LED sign turns your vehicle into a mobile message board. Measuring 15 inches by 4 inches, this flexible LED panel lets you display text, emojis, or animations using Bluetooth control through a smartphone app. The pre-made designs make setup quick, while the customizable options let you craft your own creative displays. It's perfect for rideshare drivers, small business owners, or anyone who enjoys adding personality to their vehicle. The bright display is visible even in daylight and can easily switch between messages with a few taps. The flexible material makes it adaptable to curved surfaces, and the durable design ensures long-lasting performance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.